Morning, you guys. You're probably wondering, where the heck am I? I'm not too far. I'm in Pretoria. I'm at Faerie Glen Nature Reserve, and the adventure will begin here. I'm just walking along a stream and checking things out. So join me and let's see what we can see today. Let's see how adventurous this day will turn out to be. I'm really excited about it and can't wait to check everything out. So come along with me, guys, and let's do this.
Trust me, I don't want to feel no more.
Check it out, guys. I'm trying to figure out a way how to get up there. It seems like it's going to be quite awesome up there, so I'm checking around and seeing if there's a way to get up. So you guys, I found this awesome bridge here crossing over the river, so I'm heading over to the other side. Going to check out that side, but so far what I've seen is unbelievable. I haven't seen any big wildlife, but who knows what we're going to spot here today. This little guy over here seems very friendly and very tame. I suspect he escaped from somebody's garden. He may have been somebody's pet. I'm going to leave him up in his tree. He doesn't want to come, although he lets me get pretty close to him, but he doesn't want to come to me. So he seems happy where he is, so we'll leave him be and carry on with our journey. So I found the pathway up the koppie here, so I'm making my ascent, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some amazing views from the top. It's just a rocky path, this, you guys. Well, you guys, looks like I reached the top. There's no further that I can go from here. But check that out, isn't that amazing? It is like way up here. That's amazing. That behind me is the tower at the top, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like down from the bottom, just so that you can see the height and how high we are actually up here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the tower is there up on top of that hill. The video doesn't do it justice though. It is really, really high up there. So just behind me over there, that's where I just was, and that's where that tower is peeking out. I'm not on the ground yet. I'm actually quite high on the koppie just opposite it. So making my way down slowly but surely, but going up more than I'm going down at this stage, but having a blast. Yeah, it's such an awesome day. Check out the skies. It's just a beautiful day today. I was a bit worried this morning because it started raining really, really early, so I was wondering what the weather was going to be like today, you guys, but it turned out to be an awesome day. So I'm just having a little bit of a water break now, looking up down at the view and just taking it all in, guys. You know, it's such good mental therapy as well, just to kind of reset your mind as well and keep yourself mentally strong. Being out in nature, just a change of pace as well. It does so much good, you know. It's not far to travel either, just to get here and just to take that break, you know, for a couple of hours on a Sunday. You know, it's one of the better decisions I've made, and starting out this year on the back, guys. Love these trees. Just check how smooth they look. Isn't that awesome? Clouds are coming in now. Looks like we might get some rain pretty soon. So I've spoken to some people earlier that I encountered on one of the trails, and they said that they spotted some animals around, but I just think that the luck isn't with me today. So it's getting kind of late, so I'm heading on back, but I'll hike slowly and just keep my eyes peeled, and hopefully we do spot something. So let's carry on with this and see what we can see. I see signs of them, boktrolle, but I don't see where they are. Look at that, guys. Finally spotted something. you guys, I'm back to where it all started, and that concludes the end of my adventure for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed Faerie Glen Nature Reserve and all the sights and sounds of the reserve. And join me next week, because I will be exploring another place here in Gauteng. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Cheers.